Passport and Soul family. It's Cassandra here. Today, I wanted to talk to you about one of the most powerful, overlooked tools for stress-free, soulful travel. And that's maintaining a gratitude practice when you're on the go. But first, here at Passport and Soul, we help BIPOC travelers travel soulfully and with ease. Back to the video. Now, as Black travelers or travelers of color, we're carrying around way more than just our luggage. We carry the culture, our history, and sometimes the weight of navigating spaces where people don't look like us and where we may feel not seen or understood. But gratitude becomes more than just a nice idea. It's a way to stay grounded, joyful, and present during our journeys. So let's talk about why gratitude matters when traveling. Because you know that when we travel, things don't always go according to plan. Flights get delayed, luggage gets lost, connections are missed, the weather changes, so many things can happen. And gratitude helps us shift our focus so that instead of frustration, we can find little moments that make our trip worthwhile. Gratitude also helps us to be present. Think about the joy of hearing live music drifting down a side street when you're wandering around in a new location. Or gratitude can be biting into a warm pastry fresh from the oven from the new bakery that you discovered around the corner from where you're staying. It could be the kindness in a local smile at you or your children. Because gratitude is about noticing those small but powerful details. And from an Afrocentric perspective, gratitude is also about remembering that our ancestors didn't always travel by choice. And for us to stand here today, moving freely across the world, is a blessing and a privilege. It honors their legacy while celebrating our freedom. So here are a few gratitude practices that you can try when you're traveling and when you're on the road. First is having a morning gratitude journal. So you can start your day by writing down 3 things that you're grateful for. And they can be simple. It could be simple as, oh my gosh, the Wi-Fi here is great. It could be that you're grateful for being able to arrive safely at your destination. Or you're grateful for waking up in a brand new city. And if you prefer, you can leave yourself a voice note instead of writing anything down. The second gratitude practice that you can try is one that's near and dear to my heart because I'm a scrapbooker. It's photo gratitude. So every day that you're on your trip, take a picture of something that sparks joy or awe. Maybe it's a street mural. Maybe it's a plate of food, or maybe it's the beautiful view that you got to see. At the end of your trip, you can scroll back through and you'll see a gallery of gratitude. You can even put the pictures into a gratitude folder on your phone, or you can create a gratitude scrapbook. The third gratitude practice that you can try when you're traveling on the road is gratitude walks. So while you're out and about and exploring, take a moment to pause and look around and name 5 things around you that you appreciate. It could be the architecture around you. It could be the rhythm of a language that's not your own, or just the feeling of the sunshine on your skin. The fourth gratitude practice that you can try is an evening reflection. So before you go to bed, ask yourself, what was one meaningful moment from today? Write it down or just speak it out loud. Now here's a bonus one that Craig and I love to do personally. It's including the people that we meet in our gratitude. So maybe it's the guide that shared stories of their community or a waiter that introduced you to a new dish. We take a moment to give thanks for them. Gratitude is something that also helps us navigate the unique experiences that we sometimes face as travelers of color. There may be times when we feel out of place, or we deal with those stares, or we experience microaggressions. Now, gratitude does not erase those moments, but it helps us to stay in our power and not give that power to someone else. So when I have gratitude and give thanks for safety, for presence, for the chance to explore, it reminds me that I belong here, and it turns the focus back to joy, resilience, and pride. And honestly, gratitude is a way of being able to celebrate our cultural roots while we're abroad. It's an acknowledgement of how far we've come and the joy of creating new stories with each and every trip. So the next time that you're packing your bags, don't forget to pack some gratitude too. It's light, it doesn't take up a lot of room, and it transforms the way that you experience your travels. So you know I'm curious. So drop one thing that you're grateful for when you travel into the comments below. And if this video spoke to you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Passport and Soul, and share it with a friend who loves to travel. Until we meet again.